What's up, guys? I want to know what the best wide body is for a Subaru Legacy. So right now I'm looking at something called the Fenderist wide body. That's the company name, is Fenderist. They're really the only one I can find for this 2004 JDM Legacy GT. All the other ones are either for the older Legacies or they're for sedans or anything. This is the only one I can find, and I think it's $1,200 US just for the kit without like the rubber moldings and the hardware and everything. But I want to know if there's other kits out there that I don't know about. I did a quick search this morning on Amazon and eBay to see if there were other kits, and I found one random kit and that's it. But basically I haven't driven this thing in a long time. It hasn't made an appearance on the channel in a long time, so I want to bring it back. I want to make it a project again. I guess it never really was a project. It was just I'd post videos of this thing just drifting and launching and flybys, having fun. I had a huge exhaust leak making it sound very interesting, lots of pops and crackles, so I post stuff like that. But I want to make this thing into a project so that it can be back on the channel and people can see it again. I've had comments of people saying, where's the Legacy? The truth is the Legacy hasn't had insurance on it. It's just been sitting because I haven't had a purpose for it business-wise. So I'd love to bring it back to the channel. This is just a quick update on what I'm thinking about with the Legacy, so drop a comment down below of a wide body kit for the Legacy. We'll see you guys later. Okay, we got, actually we'll take it out of eco mode here. Here's second gear. Oh man, this thing is fast. You forget about it when you don't drive it for a while.